big things is if they have insurance, I usually ask when people say, "Well, I've got insurance." I say, "Okay, what do you love about it?" I don't know what you love about it, because sometimes it's harder to tell me what you love about it, and they go, "I don't really love anything about it. I'm just paying all this money," and it's like, do you use it? And some people actually say, "I can't afford to use it because I've got high deductibles, high
Wow.
copay." So that's why I tell everybody, I look at, and this is why I take all my experience, my military, my academic background, everything, and I can look at your summary of benefits, which is basically an outline, just like curriculum. It's an outline of everything that you're going to have to pay and what the insurance company is going to pay. And I can show you the holes in your plan, basically say, if you had an accident, here's what you're going to have to pay out of pocket before the insurance company pays. If you get really sick, and say you get pneumonia, go in the hospital for 3 days, here's what you're going to end up having to pay. Now, here's how I can, basically fix that, close those holes with some
Right.
supplemental coverage, or I can show you much better coverage for less money a month. So it's look at your summary of benefits, look at your plan, see all the dollar signs or percentages of what you're going to have to pay if something happens. And if you don't have insurance, it's okay, how much money do you have in the bank that's going to pay the hospital bills if something major happens?
Yeah.
And I'm not talking, major like cancer, heart attack, but I mean, just say you get pneumonia, go in the hospital for 3 days.
Yeah.
Do you have $8,000 in the bank? So that's how we look at it and say, how can you protect what you love? And whatever you can afford, I'm not going to go over that. I'm not going to push and push and push your budget. I'll show you the top end, but I'm also going to say, what are you comfortable with? And I'm going to get you the best coverage where I know if something happens to you, I'm going to be able to sleep at night knowing that I did everything I could to keep you from getting into financial hardship.